Hey guys, Gilles here for Premiere Basics. In this video, I will give you some cool editing tips to ease your workflow. Now first up is the Ripple Edit tool, or B on your keyboard. This tool is often used when matching the action of two shots. For example, in this clip you can see a close-up of me doing an action. In the next clip, it is the exact same action, but from a different angle. I want to create a cut between these two clips, but the action has to be smooth. Now what the Ripple Edit tool will do is shorten or lengthen the in and out point of a clip. So press B and drag the end of the first clip with your cursor. You'll see two windows now. The left one indicates the out point of your clip, and the right one indicates the in point of your other clip. You can now drag the out point or in point to your desired length. It will also immediately close the gap between those clips. Next, we have the Rolling Edit tool, or N on your keyboard. This tool moves the edit point without affecting the rest of the timeline. It shortens one clip and lengthens the second clip, or vice versa. Now let me give you a quick little tip. If you press V and hold Ctrl or Command on a Mac, it will automatically become the Roll and Ripple tool whenever you hover over a cut. If you hover over the left side of a cut, it will become the Ripple tool. If you hover over the cut itself, it will become the Roll tool. Really useful, right? And lastly, we have the Rate Stretch tool, or R on your keyboard. This is used to speed up or slow down a clip. You can drag the end or beginning of your clip and change the duration. You'll see how fast or slow you alter it with the percentage that is shown. Another way to change the speed of your clip is by right-clicking on it and selecting Speed Duration. Choose your desired percentage and click on Ripple Edit so it stitches your timeline. And these are some of the useful editing tools that you can find in the toolbar. If you want to learn even more about Premiere Pro or other filmmaking topics like lighting, creative framing, and so on, I highly recommend watching our Skillshare classes. With the first link in the description down below, you'll get access to not only our Skillshare classes, but also thousands of others. So it's kind of the ideal way to learn a ton of stuff. And the best part is, well, the first 2 months are completely for free. So click that first link down below. I hope you've learned something new with this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And as always, stay creative.